मैं अपने नेक्स्ट सिंगर को बुलाना चाहूंगा। थैंक यू, थैंक यू। मिस्टर संदीप खोपकर। First of all, I would like to give a brief introduction for him.
ये संदीप जी की ऑडियंस है।
संदीप का मतलब है lighted lamp, a great personality. Sandeep is trained in classical singing and light Indian music, and he is born in Mumbai. He won the Best Singer Award for Marathi show also. He admires Kishore Da and S.B. Balasubramaniam. एक बात मैं आपको यहाँ कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर आप इनकी आवाज़ सुनेंगे तो आज S.B. बालासुब्रमण्यम साहब की यादें अपने साथ दिल में लेके जाएंगे। और
क्या बात है।
ये जो आज गाना लेके आए हैं, अपना पहला गाना इस स्टेज के ऊपर, वो भी उनसे जुड़ा हुआ है। मूवी फ्रॉम मैंने प्यार किया which was released in 1989 and the song is मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली। कहते हैं ये गुस्ताख दिल ना जाने क्या कर बैठा, ये गुस्ताख दिल ना जाने क्या कर बैठा, मुझसे बिना पूछे ही फैसला कर बैठा। इस धरती पर तो टूटा हुआ सितारा भी नहीं गिरता, और ये पगला चांद से मोहब्बत कर बैठा।
हाय।
सो प्लीज वेलकम संदीप खोपकर।
Thank you so much.
Big round of applause, please.
Thanks, Bobby ji. Thank you so much.
Hello, good evening. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum. केम छो, केड़ो हाल, केमोना छो, कसकाय सिडनी। रिस्पेक्टेड जजेस, आपकी अगर इजाजत हो तो शुरू करूं। थैंक यू। जी माइनर। मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो, रंगने वाली परी हो या हो परियों की रानी, या हो मेरी प्रेम कहानी। मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो, दो ना। मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली परी हो या हो परियों की रानी, या हो मेरी प्रेम कहानी। मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो, दो ना। सितारे तकते हैं यूं मुखड़े को तुम्हारे। बोलो ना क्यों ये चांद सितारे तकते हैं यूं मुखड़े को तुम्हारे। छूके बदन को हवा क्यों महकी, रात भी है क्यों बहकी बहकी। मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो, दो ना। मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली परी हो या हो परियों की रानी, या हो मेरी प्रेम कहानी। मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो, दो ना, दो ना, दो ना, दो ना। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
वाह संदीप भाई, ये क्या कर डाला आपने, सबको मदहोश कर दिया आपने तो।
थैंक यू।
वाह भाई वाह।
Judges.
So we'll be taking turns to talk, so all of us would not be, so I'm talking on behalf of all the judges.
जी.
Sandeep ji, thank you so much for singing this song.
Thank you.
This is especially relevant because SP, or Balu as he's known, is one of the people that we have lost during this crisis, So that's one of the greatest loss for the music industry. And thank you for reviving memories of SP Balasubramaniam.
It's my honor.
I know that SP Balasubramaniam ji is your idol, and you really imitate him or copy him very well, Great, well done. Thank you very much, very well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
No, I'll say you were very, very close to SP Bala साहब को मैंने सुना हुआ है काफ़ी closely. आपने बहुत अच्छा निभाया उसको.
Thank you.
Very, very close. Very good.
Thank you.
Now, just a quick question. Does anyone here, a trivia question, you can think about it, know that who was the SP Balasubramaniam made, he had a band that he created in his early days. Who was the very famous person who was the guitarist and harmonium player in his band? Does anyone know that? Oh, yes. So people know about that. Great, okay. And just I'll mention one more thing about him and then we'll end because just as a tribute, the people who have worked with him in the industry, Yogeshri, many of them say that he was the artist of artists. Yes. Okay? Very knowledgeable, very down to earth, a great artist and a great human being, Our tributes to him. One of the biggest qualities he had was the fact that he could come and he could prepare a song in literally 10 minutes and record it. And he holds the world record of, recording 21 songs in a day. Recording, complete recording, Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, Amujit.
Thank you for saying
that.
Thank you,
judges.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sandeep.
Thank you, Sandeep.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, judges.